This is just a recap on the trade last night, or yesterday, on the video I did just before this one on options writing, and how you can make some money from sideways markets. On a Monday, it's very quiet, not too much going on. You can see from that there's not too much going on. When you get into the London and the US markets, you get a bit, but still that's not too much. Really, you're only moving 20 pips. You're in a pretty tight range, maximum of 20 pips range, pretty safe. It never got out of a range where I would have been in profit. Obviously, when it goes up here, I'm not in profit on one of my positions, but I am still in profit on the other position. So I do get the premium. So it would have had to go up to, I think, about 64 for me to be out of profit completely. Could have, but that's the thing about trading. It's never 100%. They're only best judgment calls, really, and how you can make money from high probability events. This is a high probability event, really. On Monday, you're not going to get movements like here, like you have on Friday here. So all you got was a bit of a ramp up and then ramp back down. So I would have taken the position at, I think it was 5 or 4:30, around about here, and you get out at 4:35, so about there. And it needs to be within these bandwidths, and it is. As I said, popped out a little bit there, but stuck in the bandwidths. With 10 contracts on either side, you end up making, I think it's about $500 or $600 that we profited there, just overnight in that range there, out, and quite handy. If you're watching this on every morning, this is just a little hint. You should always just go through, see what news is coming up. Have a look at Bloomberg. It's always a good one. Read, and even sign up, because you only get a certain amount of free ones if you want the free one. So you can sign up and you actually get a daily newsletter of what's been happening. And it's very, very good read. Gives you a good rundown of what's been going on. Have a look at trading economics. Good reads there. Read through some of the key ones that you can see. Have a look at their calendar too. They have a bit more of an extensive calendar than what Forex Factory do. So it's a good calendar, that one. And Talking Forex is just one I use as well, because you get more up-to-date things as they're happening. It pops in there, and it's a good one to have as well. And you can read what's been happening through the night. If you look at 12:30, they're doing wraps. 12:30, you've got Kuroda, I should say, having a chat from the Japanese central bank, and that's what you should be doing. You should be reading up on your macroeconomic news so that you can make informed trades. I'd read that there wasn't much news going on last night, which there wasn't. Didn't get too much for movement. Oil was really the only driver, and you can profit from it. And that's it.